In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Brevo to send emails. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to email a contact right from your CRM so you can reach out without switching tabs or copying addresses. First, log in to your Brevo account. On the main dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and click CRM. This opens the tools you use to manage relationships. From there, choose Contacts. You'll see your list of people and companies. Take a moment to search or scroll to find the specific contact you want to reach. Opening the right record keeps everything organized and ensures your message is tracked alongside that contact's details. When you're on the correct contact, click Email. A pop-up window will appear. You don't need to type the recipient's email address. Brevo automatically fills it in from the contact record. It's a good habit to quickly confirm it looks correct, especially if the contact has multiple addresses on file. Next, add a clear, focused subject. Think of it as a short headline that tells the recipient exactly what to expect. For example, you might reference a meeting time, an order number, or the main reason you're reaching out. Then, write the body of your email. Keep it friendly, specific, and easy to skim. Start with a brief greeting, state your purpose in the first sentence, and include any key details the person needs to know or act on. If there's a date, a link, or a next step, make it obvious so the recipient doesn't have to hunt for the important information. Keep your tone professional yet warm, and use short paragraphs so it reads well on a phone. Avoid sharing sensitive details in the body. A clear sign-off with your name keeps the message personal and easy to recognize. Before you send, do a quick review, check spelling and tone, make sure names and dates are correct, and confirm the subject matches the content. Reading it once out loud can help you catch anything unclear. When everything looks good, click Send. The message will go out from Brevo, and your conversation history remains tied to that contact in the CRM. That way, you and your team can see what was said and when without digging through separate inboxes. You can repeat this for any contact whenever you need a quick follow-up or introduction, keeping everything in one place for easy reference. And that's it. Now you know how to use Brevo to send emails directly from a contact record. If this video is helpful, leave a comment, hit like, and click the subscribe button for more simple walkthroughs just like this.